In this demo video, we are going to have a look at how to verify a verifiable credential proof using a self-sovereign identity platform. So we start off with two users using two distinct applications. On the left-hand side, using the NB-Orbit Enterprise app, our Credential Verifier, and the wallet holder on the right using our NB-Orbit mobile wallet. So within the verification function of the Enterprise app, the Credential Verifier is going to create a proof request. So they're going to select Instant Tasks, select the connection name, which they already have a peer-to-peer connection with. They're going to request a reason for the credential proof, and they're going to select which credential they want to have presented to them by the holder as part of this proof request. So they will send it to the holder, who should receive it in their mobile wallet. And now that the notification has been received by the holder on the right-hand side here, the holder could check out the request and choose to accept or decline. So in this case, the holder is going to present the proof to the verifier, who could then go back into their Enterprise app under Verification Monitoring, and they'll be able to see the status of the proof request, which here you could see that they received the proof. They could verify the details of the proof that were presented to them by the holder, and they could choose to verify it. Once verification is done, the holder will receive a notification being transparent that the verification was done. Visit northernblock.io to learn more about SSI and NB-Orbit, or email us at info@northernblock.io, or even call us at 1-855-665-0833 to try out NB-Orbit Enterprise.